Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a whole chicken in the air fryer. Yes, 1 hour, 10 minutes maybe. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we're going to be doing a 1.6 kilogram chicken. I've got it here, bought it today in the supermarket. It's for my daughter's Sunday roast. I don't eat the chicken, I'm afraid. But we're going to be using the Ninja Flex Draw air fryer. So this actually has 2 zones, but it's in 1 drawer. But we do have the facility to take out that divider and gives us a 10.4 litre capacity. Now, you may have an air fryer that is got 1 drawer or doesn't have the facility to take out the divider. Maybe you've got 2 drawers. And you can still cook a whole roast chicken in the air fryer, but you will have to maybe use a smaller chicken. So we're going to go for the 1.6 kilogram today. If you've got 1 drawer, maybe a 1.2. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Really does help the channel out. Leave any comments down below and hit the like button. That'd be great. So let's get this thing started. So here we go. We've got our flex drawer. We've got the mega zone because we've taken out the divider that goes in the middle of the drawer. We have our chicken here, the 1.6 kilogram chicken. It's going to be plenty of room in this air fryer for a 1.6 kilogram chicken. And then here I actually have some oil, butter and some garlic granules all mixed together, and we'll be coating the chicken in that. That's the only seasoning we're really going to be doing on the chicken today. So let's get this thing in the air fryer. We're going to be putting the chicken in the air fryer. See, there's plenty of room there for that. And we're going to be putting it breast side down to start with. So let's get this thing coated. So all we're going to do is just go around the chicken and paint this lovely garlic and butter all over the outside of the chicken. This will infuse and it will give it a lovely smell. I don't actually eat meat myself, but this is for my daughter, as I said. And she'll be tasting it later. I'm sure she's going to love it. We're going to save some of this for when we coat the breast side. But we're going to be sticking this chicken in the air fryer, and we're going to be cooking it at 180 degrees in air fry mode for 30 minutes. Then we're going to be turning it over, cooking it for another 30 minutes in air fry mode, breast side up, and we should have a lovely tasty chicken at the end of it. That looks pretty good. So all that's left to do now is get it in that air fryer. So there we are, there's our chicken. Into the air fryer it goes. We'll turn on the air fryer. We're going to hit Mega Zone and we're going to click it onto air fry mode, 180 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, what we'll do is we'll take it out, we'll turn over the chicken, we'll baste the chicken in that lovely garlic, butter and oil sauce there, and we're going to cook it for probably between 30 and 40 minutes further on, and hopefully we'll have the perfect roast chicken in an air fryer. So let's push start. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. So guys, we're coming up to the half-hour mark. We're going to be turning over the bird in a moment, and the smell is absolutely amazing. The garlic and the chicken is filling the room. It's gone into cool down mode. We're just going to hit stop, and we're going to open up the drawer and see what we've got inside. There you go. There you go. Let's get this bird turned over onto its back, breast facing up, and we'll put the remaining garlic butter all over the top of it and get it back cooking. So there we go. Let's turn this bird over. I'm going to be using one of these sort of roasting forks and a spoon. Should be okay, quite easy to turn over without making a mess. Let's give it a go. You can hear the crunch of the skin on the back of the bird. And there we go, breast facing up. Let's just push those legs down a bit. And we'll get this bird covered in that lovely garlic butter. There we go. We've got our garlic butter. We're going to be painting the top of the breasts. We're going to put quite a lot on the top of the breast because it can soak right through My daughter only eats the breast of the chicken. My dog and cat will probably eat the meat off the legs, but we'll put a bit of garlic around those as well. Get inside. I haven't put a lemon inside the chicken or any garlic inside the chicken. This is just a simple way to cook a whole roast chicken in an air fryer. So that's about enough of that, I think. Let's get this thing back in the air fryer. And here we go. Let's put the bird back into the air fryer. We're going to turn the air fryer back on. And we do the same as last time. Megazone, air fry mode. This time I'm going to take it up to, we're going to put the temperature to 180. But this time we're going to put the time, I think we'll put 40 minutes just to be on the safe side. And we're going to hit start. I'll see you guys in 40 minutes where hopefully we've got a beautifully cooked whole roast chicken in the air fryer. So guys, we're coming up to the end of the cooking cycle. The smell in the house is absolutely amazing. All of that garlic and chicken smells really, really good. And let's see how well the air fryer is done cooking a whole chicken, an hour and 10 minutes in the air fryer. Got into cool down mode, that's okay. We're going to push the power button to turn it off. Let's have a look inside. There you go. Let's get that out and then we'll give it a bit of a carve. There's so much fat and juice that's come out of the chicken there. I might put that in a glass in a moment. You can see how much has come out. But yeah, let's get this carved up and you can see it perfectly cooked. There you go guys, that's the amount of fat and oil that came off of the chicken. Quite a lot there. You could probably use that to cook some potatoes with or something like that. Let's give this bird a bit of a slice open and we'll see how well it's cooked. And that's the breast. Look at that. Hope you can see that cooked perfectly. That really does look good. My daughter's going to love it. Although I don't eat meat, it does actually smell very very good. But yeah, she's going to love that. So if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button. Leave any comments down below. Hit the like button. All that good stuff. And if you really want to support the channel, maybe hit that super thanks button. Really would appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.